So, lalabas po talaga kung anong gusto nila sabihin.
Ang
Maring
feeling ko, incomplete eh. Kailangan tell all, hindi tell half. Ang mga binabanggit, 2022 to 2025 eh. Sila number one contractor, 2016 to 2022 eh. Kung hindi nyo nagustuhan, pagpasensya nyo ako. Hindi nyo nagustuhan yung mga sinabi ko, na opinion ko. Pero I never mentioned names. Bakit kiisipin nyo kagad na pinapa-edit ko yung affidavit? Di ba? Hindi eh. And when I say those things, you should not feel alluded to. Wala naman akong binanggit na pangalan eh. Blue Ribbon being a lawyer does not have anything to do with Senator Marcoleta. It was a question by the public. It was a question even by Secretary Claire Castro. Di ba kailangan abogado yun? At tinatanong nila, hindi naman daw abogado Senator Lacson. Magaling na investigador eh. I was saying, napakadaming abogado sa Pilipinas, libo-libo. So a lawyer who was not well-versed in investigation, mas gusto ko na yung investigador. That was my point. So kung natatakot sila sa kanilang security, bilyon-bilyon ang pera nila eh. Ang dami nilang pwede bayaran security guard eh. Kahit 1,000 security guard kaya nila eh. Bakit kailangan gobyerno? Sila most guilty. Ang pwede sa witness protection program, not the most guilty.